Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna make something special and very different cake, which is rainbow crepe cake. This tall, beautiful cake has 20 layers of crepes and frosted with whipped cream. Let me reveal how this beautiful rainbow crepe cake looks from inside. Let's start by preparing the rainbow crepes. Take 5 eggs in a bowl and mix it using a wire whisk. Just mix it lightly and add in the powdered sugar. I have taken 5 tablespoons of powdered sugar and mix it until everything combines well. Now add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and a pinch of salt. In goes 100 grams of melted butter. Now sift in 2 cups of Maida or all-purpose flour into the egg mix. First I'm adding 1 cup of Maida and mixing it using a wire whisk. I have taken 650 ml of milk to make these crepes. We have to add the milk gradually while folding in the flour. Now I am adding in the second cup of flour and mixing it. Crepe batter will be little loose only. Strain it to get a smooth batter. Refrigerate the crepe batter for 1 hour. The crepe batter is ready now and look at the consistency, friends. We are making rainbow crepe cakes and hence I am dividing the batter into 6 mixing bowls. I have added red, green, blue, yellow, orange and purple color. There is no specific measurement to add the colors. For purple color, I just mixed red and blue. You know, these kind of cakes wouldn't be available even in bakeries. This is something special and can be made easily at home. Our beautiful rainbow color crepe batter is ready now. Take a non-stick pan and grease it with very little oil. We have to grease it only for the first crepe. Pour in 1/4 cup of crepe batter and give it a swirl like this. I have taken 7-inch pan here. When one side is cooked, flip it and cook the other side. Transfer the crepes on a wire rack and cool it for less than a minute. The crepe should be cooked from low to medium flame. And make sure not to change the color of the crepes by overcooking it. I would say the crepes are like very thin pancakes. While flipping the crepes, you might see foldings like this. You can just leave as such, it gets cooked by the steam. Place the crepes on a wire rack for less than a minute, not on the plate. If you place the crepes on a plate directly means there are chances of sticking to each other. I have made 20 crepes and each colors has 4 crepes. We would be able to make 32 crepes in a 7-inch pan with the measurement I have shown. You can directly frost these crepes with the whipped cream. But I'm just going to trim this into a perfect round shape using this ring mold. Now each crepes are 6.5 inch. Look how beautiful our crepes has turned now. This itself giving a rainbow feel, and let's frost it with the whipped cream now. I have taken 500 ml of whipped cream here. Take a cake board and apply little whipped cream so that our cake doesn't move. I'm setting the cake in a ring mold, so place the cake onto the cake board. Place in a crepe gently and top it with whipped cream. Spread the whipped cream evenly as I'm showing here. First we have to place purple colored crepes and then blue, green, yellow, orange and red crepes. Frosting the crepe cakes will be little different unlike other cakes. We have to do it gently since the crepes are delicate. One more thing is that apply very thin layer of whipped cream between the crepes. You do not need a ring mold like this to set these cakes. Actually, you can do it directly itself. I just covered the ring mold with the butter sheet just to give extra support to the crepe cake. Well, I'm not going to cover the sides of the cake with the whipped cream. This cake is already loaded with lots of whipped cream. All the crepes are packed with whipped cream now. I'm just giving a simple design using this spoon. We have to refrigerate it for at least 3 hours or overnight. I have refrigerated it for 3 hours because I didn't have any patience to wait it for overnight. We have to refrigerate the cake or else the layers will fall apart while slicing the cake. I'm just leveling the cake with a small spatula here. I'm adding extra beauty to the cake with the sprinkles. Our beautiful, tall 20 layers of rainbow crepe cake is ready to be served now. I was really excited to see the rainbow effect inside the cake. This cake might look difficult by looking at it. This is easy to make and we do not need an oven for this. Do try this cake and do not forget to share me the picture and the feedback. I wish you all a happy new year.